Oh, okay, YouTubers, I'm back last night, so I did fix this. So because it's too dark, I did not really film the replacement of this alternator. Now the thing that uh, you need to make note of it is that you have a bolt here, which is 15 millimeter, and a bolt here 13. Two nuts that you need to remove. This is the bracket, so you need to remove this so you could access that bolt, and then once you remove this plate, then you could remove the bolt, and then of course you need to take out the main connectors, this one and this one, and then you could pry out the alternator from this side and that side. Of course you have to remove the serpentine belt, before you could do that. So this is the fix. So there's no more noise coming from the alternator, so I guess this would be the fix. So yeah, so right, so that's a brand new alternator. So it took me like 2 hours to replace this. So the old one is still working, but the bearings are the one that's giving out that noise. So alright, so I guess that fixes everything, and I will see you on my next project. I am planning to replace the ball joint and the upper control arm because of the camber is not really correct, but that will be the next video. I included the link for the alternator, and I bought that alternator from Amazon, so I'll put the links in the description. And this is like $83, compared to the almost $200 from the big stores like AutoZone and O'Reilly. So yeah, it's fixed. You don't have to buy the parts from them. I don't know. This one is really works. This one came from a supplier from California, so it just take me like a couple of days. They delivered it to me. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description. So we'll see you on my next project for my Dodge Ram 2400. Oh well, by the way, as you can see, I'm using that wood to prevent the hood from falling down. I'm gonna replace those gas lip. I have to buy it, so I'm gonna have that link or film, changing the gas lip. All right.